Greetings from Obi-Nukwu Chineke, also known as the truth of the wind, water, and sand, that our Creator, the owner of humans, uses to sustain all humans and allow them to live and witness His creation, and to acknowledge Him as the owner of the universe. And in return for humans to respect Him by respecting their fellow human beings, to allow peace and harmony to take place, to allow the function of the human brain and 5 fingers to be at work to bring out the beauty of the universe that He installed in the wind, water, and sand for the continuity of His creation on the world. And the continuity of the world requires human creativity to bring the vision of the universe to reality, and for the reality of world to take place is human to act like the owner of the world, by allowing their brain and 5 fingers to go into creativity to create and manufacture things that can help humans' life multiplication of humans that will sustain the existence of the universe for the continuity. And to love the Creator of the world is to love your fellow human beings, and to worship the Creator of the universe is to be helpful to your fellow human beings. And the endless road to reach the Creator of the world and the unlimited presence of the Creator of the universe is via the monitor that He placed to supervise the activity on the earth, both spiritual and physical, is the wind, water, and sand that are always with all human bodies without a time limit. The truth here is that all human activities are monitored via the wind, water, and sand, that always with human's body without a time limit. It has been reviewed that no human can escape from their activity against human existence in this endless world. To rest in peace after death is to avoid anything that will lead you to destroy human presence on this endless world. That beyond you. From Ani Ndu. Ikukuwa Chineke. The Voice of the Truth After Life. This is Volume 9. Continue with Volume 10 in the next video.